All right, guys, so this is gonna be something you need to be aware of. Oh my gosh, I'm dirty. I just picked up a storage unit. Woo, I'm really dirty. Anyways, guys, you're gonna run across this a lot. I know it seems minuscule to put this in the course, but you need to know everything about storage units. So this is a freight elevator, and you're gonna run across these in older buildings. So I kind of wanted to do a demonstration here real quick about a freight elevator so you guys don't freak out when you see one if you're ever out and about and you buy a storage unit with a freight elevator. So the first thing, guys, is you're going to want to push this button. Before you touch anything or do anything, you want the elevator to be here, right? And it is not yet, so we gotta wait for it to come all the way up. And we're on the top floor, so it may take a quick second. So that's why you have a little peephole there, so that way you can wait for the freight elevator to come up, and then we're gonna open it up. So, all right, so remember, look through the peephole, you'll see that the freight elevator is there. So there's a little lever down here, you'll use this little lever. You'll pop this up, even if you only have one hand here. All right. I know it looks a little scary. And there you go. So now we will move everything in here. Now that we have everything in here, we will then close the furthest one first. Then you will close this guy. All right, so now we go ahead and push our button once we close all the doors. It will lock. I know it's a little scary, but this is kind of an older building, and we're all the way on the top here. And then we are going down. All right, so we're here. We are on the first floor. So now you go ahead and open this guy up. Open this guy up with, release it down here, and then open this guy. And there you go. Now, once you do leave though, guys, you always have to shut this again so somebody else can use it. Some people forget this step of shutting the freight elevator. So you gotta shut it, and then you're good. It locks in place so somebody else can use it while you're not using it.